Now, our next question is, I got a collection letter from a lawyer. I disputed it. I got no response, and then I got sued. So, pretty common situation. Let me give you kind of the classic example. You have a debt buyer that's called Cash, C-A-C-H. And they basically have these collection law firms around the nation that I don't know all the inner workings of it, but it seems like these collection law firms just basically rent their letterhead. So that instead of you getting a letter from Cash, this debt buyer, it's like, oh my goodness, this collection lawyer from Arizona or Chicago or Louisville, Kentucky is writing me. And so you write them a letter. You have 30 days, and you can actually do it after that, but to be strict about the rules, you have at least the 30-day period from when you first got that letter just to write and go, look, I dispute this debt. And so if you dispute that debt, then they have to give you what's sometimes called validation or verification. Really, the correct term is validation of that debt if they want to continue to collect. Now, you can write a collection agency, a collection lawyer, say, look, I dispute owing this debt. Give me proof. Not to do anything. But they better not collect against you if they do nothing. And so in this situation, and we see this over and over, you get the collection letter from the collection law firm, say from Louisville. You write them a letter, go, I dispute this debt. I don't know who in the world you are, who is Cash, and send me proof. And they do nothing. And then 3 months later, they sue you. That violates the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act, the FDCPA. Because again, if you dispute it, and particularly ask for validation, they don't have to do anything, but if they do nothing, they can't collect against you. So if they want to collect, they better validate that debt. They better address your dispute. So when that happens, that's a violation of law, not only by the law firm, but more importantly, by the debt buyer. Cash in this situation. It could be Midland Funding, LVNV, Portfolio, whoever it may be. If they had the debt originally when that first collection law firm letter went to you, and then they're the ones that sue you, then they got a problem. And that's something that normally the best way to address it is in a federal court lawsuit against that debt buyer, that debt collector.